Hello and welcome all to my YouTube channel Java Stories. So today we are going to focus on one of the question which is commonly asked in interview. It is a stream based question and let me walk through the question first and see how we could solve this question. So basically what it is provided in the question, it's a two class country and the state, and of course country has two attributes. One is country name and it has a list of state, and this state is also a class with a state name and a population. So if we look down, the data which is provided to us is basically we have two countries, India and America, and both these countries have three states. Consider like India have Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat, and also I have provided the population as 1500, 900 and 900. And if we look into the America also have three states, Texas, California and Florida, with their population as 1300, 1400 and 1500 respectively. And now we have this list of country, uh, and which contains only two countries. The question is we have to find the name of the state having the highest population. That is the first part of the question. So let me write it here. Name of the state having the highest population. Generally, the interviewer will ask just to print any of the name, and in the second case, the second part of the question is if there is a tie between two states having the highest population, then you have to print both the names. Print the name of all the states in case there is a tie. And of course, we have to do this question just with the help of stream APIs. So let us see how we could do this. So we have just, what I say, we have just hold on to this country list variables only. The above is just for the data so that the interviewee can see the data. You cannot use all these variables, country 2 and state 4 and state 3, in your logic. So let's see how we could solve both the parts of the question with the help of stream APIs. So of course we need to open a stream on this, and now basically from here, because ultimately I need to find the stream of states from here. So now what we need to do, we need to basically somehow from a stream of countries we need to fetch the stream of states. Let me also put how we could do this. So this is a stream of countries. I need to convert this into a stream of states. So this is a country stream. How we could do this? This is can be done with the help of flat map, and it will take a country and I need to get the state. And the problem with a lot of interview is that they do not know how this flat map functions even with the help of the IDE. So one should know how this flat map works. So I need to return a stream here, and let us also take this line into a variable, and now we have a stream of state. From a stream of country we have fetched the stream of state, and now the question is very simple. For the first part I need to find the name of the state having the highest population. So it's very simple. I have to just do a max by and just need to pass the comparator, how we are going to compare the two states. It's quite easy. Let me just provide you state 1, state 2 and state 1 dot population, because we need to max on the basis of the population. So very simple, state 2 dot population. And if I just try to collect this also, okay, give me a second. Sorry, the state 1 and the state 2 are already being used here. I need to do something extra. S2, S1, S2. This is fine to me. And let us also take this line into a variable. This is giving me an optional. I have to just open this optional, and this is my answer. Let us take this into a new variable, and let us now print this state dot state name. And if I try to run this, and let us see what's the answer is. What I'm expecting is either it will print Haryana or it will print California or Florida, because both have the population 1500. And yes, we could clearly see we are able to print the name of the Haryana. Now we will see how we could solve the second part of the question, in which we need to print all the names. In case it is a tie, we have to print all the names having the highest population. In this case, we need to print both Haryana and Florida, but everything needs to be done with the Stream APIs. And what the way I have done is just to explain step by step. Otherwise, in an interview, what I'm expecting people to do, just chain all these stream options, and which is quite easy. Let me just show you. Dot max dot get, and take this into a state. This is what needs to be done in the interview. Now coming back to the second question, what I really need, I'm just again going to open a stream, again going to flat map, states and stream. Let me collect this in some kind of a variable. Let me just comment this code out. Now we have a stream of states. Basically what I really want to do now, I really want to sort this stream. So let me do that first, and then we will move ahead how we could solve that problem. I just need to do sorted, and I just need to pass the comparator. Okay, but I need to sort this in the descending order. So let me use this factory method of comparator.comparing, and of course this will take a state, and I need to state dot population. On the basis of population, I need to sort the stream of states, but I want to sort in the descending order. There is a very nifty way of doing this. Just put minus here, and this will do in the descending order. And now let me just try to take this in a sorted states stream. Now we have this sorted state stream, but now what I really want is I want to basically create a map. I want to create a map now. The map should be of type integer. Integer corresponds to the population of the state, and then I need to group by basically the value should be the list of state. I need to make a map out of this stream. I have to do some grouping by operation, and I want to get this map. Now the question is how we could do this. Let us try to sorted stream, and let's do collect and do collectors dot grouping by based on the population. So this is a state ns dot population, and of course very simple, I have to just collect everything in the values. So collectors dot to list is what I want, and let me try to take this into a variable. So now basically exactly what I really wanted, I have got a map of integers in the list of state. But of course this map is the implementation of this map is hash map. What I need to do, I need to sort this map based on the keys. Now I want to highlight it. This step is not necessary here because I need to sort this map rather than the stream. So let me just comment it out, these two lines, and let me just use the state stream here. Now what I want to do, I want to sort this map based on the key value, which is an integer, which is a population. So let's see how this we could run stream operations on a map. First of all, I need to convert this map into a stream, and most of the interview to get confused how we could do or do a stream operation on the map. This is quite easy if we have practiced well on all the streams operations on nearly all kinds of collections. So this is the way we do it. Let me just do this map. Now map dot entry set. Now I can open a stream on it. Now basically I need to run a sort on this, and let us run comparator dot comparing. I need to pass a lambda here, of course. Now this will of course take a map dot entry, that is an entry object. This is an entry, and I need to sort based on entry dot get key, and I want to sort this in the descending order. Just put a minus, a very nifty way of doing this. Now I have sort my entries based on the population, based on the key, and also in the descending order. Let me try to take this into a variable. So now let us see what it is giving to us. It is giving us a map.entry, and this is what I really want. I just need to fetch the first element of this sorted map. So what I will do, I will make it into a collectors dot to list, and let me see what, introduce a local variable. I've got this list of this. Now what I will do, I will try to get first, then I'm just going to print this first dot get key, get value, and dot for each, and just going to print the name of all the state, println for each state, and state dot state name. No need to write this println, and let us run this program again. Yes, see, we have got this Haryana and Florida both. Now what I really want to do, I want to do some cleaning on this code, and I want to show you how we could chain all these operations. So let me just do that as well. This is a flat map. I need to do collect on this operation. We have collect. Now we want to open a stream on these maps. Dot entry set dot stream. Let me remove this semicolon, and then we have this sortedness, and after this sorted we have to collect this into collector dot to list. Why we are collecting in the list? I could also do a max by as well just to fetch the top element, but this making into a list, I could even find the second highest population, the third highest population, the fourth highest population, and if there's a tie I could print anything. I will show that to you. So let me just take this into a variable now. See, my answer is this. Now I could use this answer to print anything now. Suppose I want to print the highest salary. It's very simple. I'm just going to use this is a map, and I just print out get value dot for each, and system dot out dot state dot system state dot state name, and so this is the highest population. Let me run this program again. Haryana and Florida, and if I want to fetch the second highest, it's very simple. I have to just put 1 here, and this is going to print the second highest population, which is California. And if you see, California has 1400. And if I want to fetch the third, we could do anything with the help of this stream APIs. So this is basically the trick is here. First of all, we need to group by based on the population. We will get a map out of it. We have to run the stream on the maps with the help of entry set, then sort on the base of keys, and then just collect those map dot entries in a list and just provide any number to fetch that result. But it's like n minus 1. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please write in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to your anyone who is looking for interview. Thank you so much.